Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Note the app version, OS build, and any plugins. Once done, back up the project and settings to a new folder or cloud copy so you can roll back. Enable verbose logging and preferences, then reproduce the bug on a reduced test file to isolate variables. This lets you capture concise logs without noise. Make sure to record the exact steps you performed, because clear, repeatable actions are what make debugging efficient and reliable. You now dig into the middle of the fix by analyzing the logs for stack traces, timestamps, and any repeated error codes. That shows the failing module. Next, run the editor in safe mode and disable plugins or custom scripts to narrow causes. Then reproduce the issue on a clean user profile or another machine to see if it is environment-specific. While doing this, record differences in behavior, because those contrasts point directly to configuration, extension, or platform causes. You finish by applying the targeted remedy. Install a patch, update the app, or remove the offending plugin or configuration entry. Once applied, test the original project fully and run the test suite. Verify logs show no recurrences. If the bug persists, make sure to collect complete logs, the minimal reproducer project, and your exact steps, then escalate to support or the issue tracker. One quick troubleshooting tip. Try the same workflow on a rollback of the previous stable version to check.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.